Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Thank God it's Friday.
Right.
Nonton baru taki and outs palangi show. And mga rumbo ko. Kita ulit ang nabiyo ko.
Iyo.
Kita ulit ang talo tanggal ko.
Ngori.
And napakaburin pula.
Dino.
And napakaburin maraw.
Iyo.
And aku tali bin loma oda.
Autoko na.
Ako tali aku tali bin loma oda.
Remove away hemoglobin.
Iyo,
yang binaka.
Iya, yang rabina kami kemenrau ba yang taltung abe momo wili.
Iyo.
Namata bina di kuam bulu bina talang abe na nonda.
Iyo.
Bisa mati wili mai. The one who are tuning now from their own home,
Gori.
their own environment, their own habitat,
Yeah.
their own surrounding, and their own life with their happiness this morning.
Turun mo na.
Hey, good morning to all of the bus drivers, the
Yeah.
taxi drivers, the minibus drivers.
Right.
This morning, all the passengers.
Gori.
Try to laugh, man, the smile to
Huh.
one another.
Yeah.
Inside the bus or inside the taxi or inside the minibus.
Wait. See, as to the camera can see us, eh?
Yeah,
properly.
yeah.
Myself and them, see. Ratu tau samu.
Yeah.
You whitish saranga, whitish.
Why this?
Iya, isa. O kaya ba tu na kono mo ya?
Yeah.
Corona ro sindo mga taga ngoni plek. Tramten. O kana joker.
Iyo.
Mbul minaka also yesterday as I finished from work,
Yeah.
I went there. I would like to
Where?
say to the QEB.
Where?
To the
You ngande there.
barracks I ngande there.
Okay.
One occasion was there.
Yeah.
Double celebration for
Yeah.
one of our brother.
Yeah.
Ule Siratunra, and also to the pass of the examination year 12
Yeah.
of the eldest daughter
Yeah.
to Miao
Yeah.
Bill Singamasa.
Yanra.
To Mr. Bill Singamasa
Glory.
and the family, thank you very much. Also to the village of Nangumu
Oi.
in Maduata,
Iyo.
Nangumiwai.
Right.
Thank you very much to Mrs.
Yeah.
and also to the children. Thank you very much. The fella is from Naibindamu
Yeah.
in Maduata.
Kami say good morning to Dr. Chon and Tomoni.
Oh, yeah.
The two ladies at the
Right.
clinic.
Who?
Na boleh besar kami tokar belum. Anda nak turang matagal sa tinte wala chulo sota.
Iyo.
O dinu na china bagu bikim ni na ngunungo.
Gori.
O dia na korro e marro na kamu na e butang na kamu na simberi ato kan naluman.
Oh, they got it.
Mobil.
Ay!
Yes.
Oh.
Mama Willie is
Takwa.
different.
Sabi na kata misakwa.
Mama
Oh.
Willie is different. He
Takwa.
rated differently.
Ha?
He rated differently. Mama Willie. Yeah.
To Bunu Echon and Domoni Latele Tanganga and Vika Vulasi.
Iyo.
Thank you very much from the Domoni Dental Clinic
Iyo.
from joining this morning. Apa? Kamu nang?
O dia na korro.
Iyo.
E marro na kamu na imbali chiko ya.
Right.
May bala tento leni korro, leni busa. Le buta na kamu na simberi ngento na kaya mo.
Hey,
Mobil.
Isa Momo.
I'm really ashamed. Mondo saranga.
Thank you very much for Momo for the good work.
Good luck, baby.
Iyo. Thank you very much for your...
Nakakamomo. Daw kun ge ashamed do masanga mendua.
Hey, send me the time for me.
John Kumar, Father Aquila Tambalo, John Kumar Bulabay, Marika Ambotei, supermarket ngo mintan Pratay Sibuni, Tamayero ni.
Ano na bito kan lumay. Na mango island, manaya tulaw.
Ha.
Tamero ni kerto na kuro na matakali. Ano na kami tabalo ni
Marama.
Na bosole mo dita ko ulan no sorry.
Belum binaka.
Kita dita di warna utro bito kan. Bito sa kan bito lu sala. Ni andra di mata binaka.
Yo, as we rise up in this morning,
Yeah.
Yesterday the result of the Form 6 is coming out, and lots of the Form 6 is very happy. Because
Oh,
of the marks is very
Good.
good,
Yeah.
and all the teachers.
here.
Shout out to all the teachers who's
Yeah.
been working hard for the students
Right.
last year, and they approve all the good work.
Yeah.
And see, my advice to you, the Form 6 student,
Yeah.
don't follow what my brother's path follow.
Who's?
So,
One of my brother.
iyo.
One of my brother, because December is like the song,
Yeah.
Everyday song or drinking grog,
Right, yeah.
and not of the Form 6 when they finish school they drink grog, You know they used to do it,
Yeah.
And drinking grog, and when the result came out,
Yeah.
my brother's was very good result,
Yeah.
Shit.
really good pass, nearly 300 of 1.
This is the one from Nawada.
No, not from no other.
This
My brother from Nangalebu, he must listen this morning.
Yeah.
And you know what, Temesi, what happened?
Ha.
My brother about to go for the first day to school.
Yeah.
Who?
First day to school, like today,
Huh.
tomorrow one big song in the coro.
Whoa.
One bulumbere,
Right.
one bulumbere thing.
Yeah.
And
What is mulberry?
Robert.
Not Kababer, like Kababer.
Bulu.
Yeah, like no, like
Kababer betira
some
songoni coins.
Some of the people in the village they come back to Suba.
Yeah.
So some go to overseas.
Yeah.
And we used to do
Bulu Weniaba.
Bulu Weniaba.
Oh,
That's
the
the
Bulumbere.
In Bonole Butele.
That's where
Yeah.
the word Kababerl come from.
Iyo.
Yeah.
And then today you went to school.
Yeah.
Tomorrow the Bulu Weniaba.
Iyo.
And then you went to school, see the marks. And the principal was talking nice to him.
Yeah.
And when he come back in the afternoon, he drink grog.
Yeah.
Drink grog and he tell the father, tomorrow
Yeah.
I will be in this Songo.
What class is he?
Form 7.
Oh.
Form 7.
He passed the Form 6 result.
Right.
He go up to Form 7.
Right.
Who?
And when the Songo this afternoon drinking grog till Nelin daytime.
Yeah.
Sir.
And we do the lobo and everything. My brother was there with us helping.
Yeah.
Hey, you should not be here.
Yeah.
The school start. You should go to school.
Ah.
See, after 1 week, the Minister of Education gave you people.
Yeah.
Another 1 week at home.
Yeah.
From 7, and you the next week you come to school.
Yeah.
Go back to school.
Yeah.
And our brother said, no, myself enough school. All my brothers take education. They go up. They one teacher.
Yeah.
One there Ministry of something in Lambasa.
Yeah.
Another one teacher.
Yeah.
All of them.
Ministry of Teacher.
Yeah. All the three are working.
Iyo.
Myself, no working.
Yeah.
Never mind, I passed my Form 6. I see my muscle is very good.
Okay.
Very big.
Yeah.
I can stay in the village,
Right.
help my father, bringing everything to my father.
Yeah.
My father is old.
Yeah.
Oh, all the people in the village.
Yeah.
One good idea you make.
Yeah.
See this kind of idea?
Yeah.
You one good idea you make. You want to help your father.
Iyo.
After that Songo,
Iyo.
after 1 month,
Who?
this to all of the students from 6, after 1 month,
Iyo.
my brother gave up.
Oy, no naman no
Nobody
moral.
left.
Aw na naman sa tukuno ka, my brother give up, no sa gibon.
One morning,
Yeah.
when my brother was sipping the grog, and the father wake him up in the morning. Hey, wake up, we go to the farm. That time,
Yeah.
just 1 month.
Ah.
Imagine if you make that idea will take you forever.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
And that school
Yeah.
is just for this life, eh?
Yeah.
To make your future better.
Yeah. Sir.
And that idea, what my brother makes,
Yeah.
it's going into everything, water.
Yeah.
He put himself down inside the water. Because
Yeah.
that after 1 month, not 5 months or 1 year,
Yeah.
in the village,
Yeah.
give up.
Right.
Can go to the farm, can do everything.
Yeah.
Because of that idea he make. Just because of the tasty of that songo.
Yeah.
The sugar of that songo is very nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sir. Right.
That's why he
Go.
chooses the.
Ah.
Pakata ba bagaimana to kan?
Don't move na.
Ah, true story.
Yeah. No
Yeah.
choice, eh? No
Iyo.
choice. Sige kuha. Will determine your future.
Yes.
Sige tuwi kami ramane.
Iyo.
Dona kadi bulle wa weekend na tallo rong bina kada mata di kuha.
Right.
No si bibu me kina ni takoro na masal di kali lew.
Mm.
Kila ko ya oro ni dola ta ni tavi.
Ni benua.
Ni
benua.
Mm.
Be no ta. Sa uchi kan dona bulla kona masal ya sala no more muscle there.
Iyo.
No more muscles.
Sage bibu tu no kwa.
Vebutuni.
Iyo.
Vebutuni.
Yeah.
But good
Yeah.
to some of the gang, if they Vebutuni,
Yeah.
they go back to school.
Yeah.
But some of the gang, like my brother here,
Yeah.
Vebutuni, and he was ashamed to
So
go
he
back to
didn't
school.
go back to school?
He didn't go back to school. And the father said, okay, you stay here with me,
Iyo.
now you'll see the fun. So every
Now
time,
you see.
every day,
Yeah.
no firewood,
Oi.
no coconut,
Right.
Yeah.
no roro,
Ah.
no cassava. Go
Yeah.
and bring it.
Wife?
No, and the main thing,
Yeah.
you'll never get a wife. Because nowadays,
Yeah.
girls can just come and see a big farm there.
Okay.
Can like you.
Big Dalo plantation.
Big Dalo plantation.
Big Angona
Big
plantation.
Agona plantation. If you
Big
grow,
muscle.
big
Right.
muscle,
Yeah.
if you just grog and sleep and you just go, wake up in the morning, go
Yeah.
and get firewood,
Okay.
go and get row,
Iyo.
that's not enough for the girl.
Don't know Bobanak. Eh?
So when the girl come,
It's really hard to find a girl.
iyo.
Really hard.
Yeah.
But if you do the education
Yeah.
and you go and teaching,
Right.
1 week teaching,
Yeah.
all the girls, your messenger will flooded.
Yeah.
Raida. Tona iya. Tona para tu beto nimbuli bau be raunan rua be heritaria bat kay tamay Josi. Rombula bena nan ruan tua. Aba ni mina kana buli be grabe. Lo manim basina se suba no sorry. Out pala ni darun bitungo ngo be faset nga. Na lau kido en rabena kamay New South Wales.
John Kumar is saying yes.
Ha.
Yes. Dapat no message bir ngoni buli na sili ko.
To all the students, the Form 6 students, likewise to all the students in FNU USP.
Oh.
Some of you people, FNU USP, like that mine again, that idea, into mine. I have to go back to the village, Plantangona. See, that Plantangona, that everything in the village will still there. Just do the education and be a better future, and you can be a better person in the village.
That truce up, some. But one thing, if you think you finish the education, you work hard, be truthful, be barefulness, another may boy.
This is one big reason. This is one big reason. Look at the message.
Come.
He was in FNU in Labasa, and he chose to go and farm in Nandongo plantation.
Truce
And
up.
when he go to plantation Nandongo,
Truce up.
no, see the English very broken.
Don't mention me on this live. Right. Ngori.
Sorry.
Unit. Mesula membos ni valo se poto din dombula mucian raludi.
But if you choose to be in the village,
Right.
to be a farmer,
Yeah.
you have to be strong.
Right.
Strong.
Because you are not only with yourself. Sino kunduan dua. You are there. There are three things you must cover. One is your family.
Sorry.
That's together with the Banua. Secondly is a church. Something needed by the church. You are a member in. And the third one is a education.
Dono mo manaka.
Tolungo, Banua, lotu kena. Matentu.
Dono mo manaka.
Right.
Tapi tu bena koro. Ono famo tu kina. Tu bena koro. Yesing tu batanelona.
Ito ba tanero na mela melueli. Mula bila katua. Just tulala ju kay moy. Dombulan do yan ra. Tinay mateni. Who's a fishing from buo in Labasa? Tukana en lawa. And also happy birthday to Kamini boy. Father, mula bila ka. Thank you very much. We are all a educator. Iyo. And the sabuli kele, we are all educator. But become an education.
Choose the right path.
Choose the education.
Okay, so all the students,
Jesus.
wish you all the best in this year 2025 for education.
We love you all.
If you go have a good job, then you have a big farmer. Big farm, eh?
We wish you in a better future.
Yo, Doyanra. Oh, Father Kula Tambolo, thank you very much for tuning in.
3 legends tool. Andela no, wey, Doyanra, build tumbebu. So bakang konto no kumomo, ndak kaila raw ni siya pakatawas. Atapan to may laka.
Ano naka bill tubem turun night mill na levu. Matelita andron rotina meme. Ano binaka ito ba binaka mo binaka si Vicky muna na matali ko.
Ito naman taltungan na bubala pa kay tal may natongan rabu may rewa.
Bau teliu.
Natongan rabu telebu.
Iyo, Ray the boy. I like club. I like club school. Bararbeli. Larain tale Doyanra, bil tumbebu binabali usara. Hey. Totoka. Ndando man na bilutin da basa matay kenda, da bosti uber na lubenda, na ngona mbimbi. Iyo.
Kanti no bateliu sa ngano bulto do me form 7. Sa matay siya na path gore na ngono go.
Iyo.
Na wala kaya kani boro chumani man sa chumani baka sa matawa binaka. Na buli lag sa. Ya na kaya ko to na buli no mambula ro TV ko me da mati.
Baka mati.
Benechare. Iyo.
Ano na kasi?
Iya.
Good morning, brother. Tu vi me da no mati.
Dina.
Vi ngono kina na buli, balata na buli. Ero di para matakiko, iko talaga na bibu ko bir na leo di koro na bono itu kina. Ero no para matakira talaga.
Iyo. Right.
So talaga tina koro bo. Lele talaga ero to di degree.
Baka tua.
Ya sa coach ka. Kaya naman nila kaya ding. quando mina kan buri tokan na bor buri ko hak live bata kena share
Julum.
meta bana mon tagi sot kali kena maro sio bula o ni mina kan buni ma dole kala
Iyo.
go kurmundu
England di endo ba? Dombula.
Turotani.
Bil tumbebu. Engonde Messi. Wani ni binakan tanganga bata. Menonda bata na badengu. Ena mata kami ni kuwa. Warumbu ni kuwa. Na baro ini mata ka singa tambu. Tegu tala dadaka. Da loma ni reba binakan onda bubale. Gai kene tiningo. Dina. Wasota. Sabtali.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
iya
Like, heart, seta ka nang dalay mo na mata ni kuwa. Be good to your neighbor. Love yourself.
iya
I love you. Ni more.